Sensibility and practicality define the 2014 Volkswagen Touareg. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the refined 6-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Turbocharger technology provides forced air induction, enhancing performance while preserving fuel economy. It includes leather upholstery, power front seats, a built-in garage door transmitter, heated front and rear seats, power moonroof, and remote keyless entry. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 12 speakers, ensuring optimal sound no matter where you're seated. Volkswagen also prioritized safety and security with features such as brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.